Hi everyone, Harrison here from LED Torch Shop. Here today with Woobin's tactical flashlight. Brand new, got some awesome features in it. But before I get into that, let's unbox it and see what you get in the pack. Da-da-da-da. First of all, comes in some nice Woobin packaging. Woobin are great because they put all the sort of specs and stats and everything on the back of their packaging and everything sort of on the front as well. So before you open it, you can know what you're going to sort of expect from this light. Another great thing is they've got a tactical and outdoor mode with this light, but you've got it all at the front as you open it. So before you even reach that manual, before you even need to sort of look into the light or anything, you've got it all really easy and right in front of you. But if you do want a nice deeper look, which I definitely recommend, comes with that user manual. And it is extensive as well, so definitely worth a read. It's got your warranty and all the specs and everything you need to know about the light. Obviously get a couple spare O-rings, get your pretty decent large lanyard with some nice actual clips on there. So yeah, usually they don't give you sort of something so big, so that's pretty cool. This is USB-C rechargeable, so they do give you a USB-A to USB-C cable, which is great. And then they give you your tactical flashlight. So here it is, the TO1 from Woobin. Really, really cool sort of take on a tactical flashlight. Pretty much every brand out there has a tactical flashlight. They're all very similar with sort of differing features and specs and everything in there. And this is no exception. There are really, really nice features that I feel I've just nailed on this light. That for me, a tactical flashlight needs to be. From the get-go, you do get a rubberized cigar grip at the front there, just included with the light. The tactical button at the back. Now, this is something that I haven't sort of seen before. It's sort of that triangle look, really, really generous and nice and big, and probably what you want from a tactical flashlight. You want it to be sort of in your face, really easy to use when it's sort of push comes to shove and when you're sort of searching for something. They've gone with a smooth reflector as well. So that's running off an SST40 LED chip, and it's running a maximum of 2000 lumens, which is pretty much what I would expect from a tactical flashlight. You don't need to overspec it, you don't need a huge amount of run times. You just want this thing to be functional, to be able to be beaten up, to be able to just take what you throw at it and just keep coming back for more. Not to mention you want that cool look, which tactical flashlights, yeah, they look cool. So what they've done with this one is it's 1.5 meters anti-drop, IP68 waterproof rating, and it's got a max runtime of 196 hours. So yeah, they've pretty much spec'd it out. They've got a reversible pocket clip here as well, so you can, if you need to clip it onto your sort of vest straight down, so you can kind of be like that and then leave it there, or alternatively you can put it on sort of a cap as well. So much functionality in this little light. To get to the recharging port, you just simply unscrew that. It'll have the recharging port right there, and you can just screw that back up and nice and tight, and you get that waterproof rating. So runs off a single 18650, smooth reflector, not crazy amount of output, but you just know it's going to work, be functional, and just a super heavy duty, really on off switch. So I reckon you just need to sort of get that in your hand to sort of see how nice that is to use and how heavy duty it is. So for a tactical flashlight, this is ticking pretty much every box. I mean, it looks cool. You got some nice fins at the front there. It looks very tactical. You'll get some close-ups of that. Obviously, your smooth reflector, and you've got your tail clip, your tail switch here as well. So yeah, as far as tactical flashlights go, I think I haven't really seen one from Woobin, and this is sort of their first sort of take on it, I think, of a true tactical flashlight. And yeah, they've sort of nailed it in aesthetics, in functionality for me. Let me know what you guys think. Would you rather more output, sort of less run times, or do you just want a light that just you know is going to work and work and work and work and work? And I think this is what they've sort of made. But yeah, would love to hear from you as well, whether you've had one, and yeah, let me know how it is over like sort of a longevity. I've only had sort of a bit of a chance to use it for a little bit now, and I'm loving it. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. Like I said, it's got a tactical mode and outdoor mode, that's mainly about the functionality of the switch, whether it goes straight to high, straight to medium, straight to low, or sort of straight to strobe or anything like that. So the outdoor mode and the tactical mode are sort of more switch orientated. But the outputs and runtimes, so strobe, you are going to get your 2000 lumens, and it's got SOS as well. So you can get SOS at 150 lumens. So nice outdoor mode, tactical mode, done. Eco mode, 5 lumens, and you're going to get 100 hours runtime out of that. 5 lumens, more than enough to sort of light up sort of map reading or anything really close to sort of person or in a room that's quite dark. Heaps of light, so really cool they've gone with the eco mode. Low mode though, 130 lumens, 10 hours runtime, and that's a great step up for sort of walking around. Don't rule this out for not an everyday torch, because tactical torches make for excellent everyday torches. They're built tough, and you get some really nice run times. Medium mode, jump up to your 500 lumens for 2.5 hours, and that's where you sort of see these lights sort of really come into their own with that smooth reflector. It's a really nice reflector, really good chip in there, and you do get some nice distance. And then you jump up to your high mode for 2000 lumens, drops back down to about 700 lumens for about an hour and a half. And I would use sort of that strobe and your high and your turbo for those tactical settings. And I reckon your lows, your mediums, for walking around, just everyday tasks, is ideal for something like this. Wubin, like I said before, I've pretty much hit the nail on the head for me for a tactical looking flashlight. Nice and generous, sort of rubberized cigar grip, reversible pocket clip. Got some nice, really cool, aesthetically pleasing sort of design on here. Good, generous button at the back, and haven't overpowered it with the with crazy amount of output. They've just kept it at that 2000 lumens. It's just perfect light for a tactical flashlight. So I'm going to drop a link below to the Wubin T1, and you can reach the whole Wubin range from there. But definitely worth checking out. They run some really, really cool gear, and really well made as far as I can I've put this to the test, and I reckon it's going to stand the test of time for sure. Please feel free to like, subscribe to the channel. It really helps us out. Hit that bell notification, because we do have new content coming out every week. So keep yourself up to date. Thanks for watching this one on the Wubin T1, and I'll catch you on the next one.